Mississippi TV. Y'all tap in with the boy. Bet thing smoking on YouTube. Shout I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they can tell somebody about the boy, man, with the business of dog. Screwed that boy for looking rough on camera. You know, this ain't usually how I get down. You know what I'm saying? But I'm in grind mode, so I don't give a goddamn about it. You feel me? But dog, we got some real good news, dog. You know what I'm talking about? It's been a long time coming. I appreciate everybody who have been patient with that boy. You know, so I haven't been uploading like that. But dog, I came to bring y'all some good news. I'm about to be back in motion. My program about to get started tomorrow. I done sold a lot of my stuff. I done sold my MSD distributor, my 4500 stall, my you know what I'm saying, my block, that brawler carburetor, the 4 main block. I sold my alpha head. So with that being said, dog, we can go ahead and get everything ready. I got a surprise for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what came in before this right here, the block. I'm about to get ready to get that ready because tomorrow she out of here. So y'all hold on for a minute, dog. Move y'all a little closer. Like I said, dog, it's been a long time coming. I'm finally get my program started out. So I appreciate y'all for being patient with that boy. We better get everything ready because she out of here tomorrow, dog. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get ready to take out the motor stand and sit on that tie. Cause I'm gonna get my I'm gonna get me a U-Haul truck tomorrow and get ready to goddamn send that junk on up the road, baby. Get the program started. Real talk. It's been a long time coming, dog. Long time coming. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate everybody who been rocking with that boy. We about to be back in motion, real. We about to be back in motion, dog. Straight up. About to be back in motion around this junk, dog. It feel damn good because it's been a long time coming, G. Been a long time coming. I just had to stay down and wait my turn, dog. I down there sold everything. I need to look at this junk and see what else I got in here. I'm gonna sell a lot more. Real talk. I'm gonna sell a lot more, but man, we're in motion right now, dog. Motion right now, dog. Straight up. And plenty of motion, dog. Plenty of motion, game time quick, boy. Real talk. Last of a dying breed, baby. You know I'm in this junk. I'm always in this junk. Real talk. Let's y'all see all the action, dog. I'm about to get this thing started, G. Appreciate everybody who been rocking with that boy. Real talk. We about to have some motion going on now, G. Real talk. So y'all see what I got going on over here. I get ready to get the block ready, dog. Get ready to get the block ready. She out here tomorrow, G. Like I said, I still got a surprise for y'all. Real talk. get this thing started, dog. As y'all can see, dog. As y'all can see, we locked and loaded. Locked and loaded, ready to go. I'm gonna go grab the truck tomorrow and she out of here. Y'all see what's going on. So yeah, dog, like I said, I appreciate everybody who been having patience with that boy. I know a lot of people been waiting on this part of the game, you know what I'm saying, for come around for my time, or to come around again. And man, it about to be my time. But y'all hold on for a minute. I got another surprise for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let you know. It ain't no cap. I don't be doing no capping around this junk. So y'all hold on for a minute. Yeah, dog. Then I'll tell y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the surprise G. Check me out real quick, dog. Check me out, dog. Yeah, I know that when I said, goddamn, I've been waiting on my time to come around. What I've been talking about, dog. Y'all hold on for a minute. Look at that shit, dog. Look at that shit, dog. Look at them pretty motherfucker, boy. Check at them pretty motherfucker, dog. So y'all see that, man. Y'all get a good picture of them, dog. If it'll be time to play around this junk, I just had to wait on my time, my boy. Ain't no cap going on. You know what I'm saying? It's game time. About to get my program back started, dog. We're gonna start out with the A1 head first, nothing but AFRs up top, baby stroker kits in the bottom end. With that being said, dog, I'm gonna get back at y'all tomorrow when we get ready to ship this thing off. Y'all stay tuned, G. Alright, dog. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm gonna get this thing started. As y'all can see, man, we all loaded up. We all loaded up. They get ready to pull that back a little bit. AFR's on deck. Shit. We goddamn get done doing what I'm doing, dog. I got my got the block and I got the heads right here. They just came in. As y'all can see, we just pulled up. Just pulled up. Just pulled up to the machine shop, y'all. About to get ready to unload. You feel me? Getting the process started right now. About to get ready to unload. We at the back door. It's game time. Let's go. I'm finna handle that business. I'm gonna scream at y'all later on. Yeah, dog. There's a follow up from Friday. Follow up from Friday. And I had took the motor to the machine shop, dropped that off. Took the motor to the machine shop, dropped that off. Dropped the heads off. He should have it cleaned up this week coming up, so I'm probably gonna shoot back out there Friday. I'm shooting back out there Friday so he can let me know what the business is. Make sure the block was good. How much got to get bored, do the machine work and all that. Then we get everything figured together. We get everything figured out, like far as what bottom end I'm gonna need. You feel me? If y'all would have tuned in, I don't go live too often. I tell you, I didn't tap in with me on Instagram, dog. I don't go live too often, but I went live Friday and I said what my motive. It's a possibility what my motive could be between. And to tell you the truth, it's between those two brackets that I seen, you feel me? But whatever we decide to come up with, what side they're gonna be, I probably won't ever speak on it again. I don't know though, I might speak on it down the road, but for the most part, it's just gonna be a 6-2. You feel? That's all I'm gonna tell you about. I might say it's a 6-2 stroke it out, but I can't tell you. It's gonna be a nice stout little piece for the street. So right now, as you can see, I am in the compound cleaning stuff out. I actually been wanting to do this for a long time, but you know what I'm saying. At the time, I still was on the first gen small block, and I got some decent stuff left for the first gen small block that I ain't want to throw away. But now, man, that shit out of here. Y'all hold on a minute. See, I got my trap car today. Woke that spirit back up, you feel me? I'm getting ready to take my main alternator off and get ready to put that Power Master alternator back on, cause more than likely I'm gonna sell my bracket. You feel me? And goddamn, I got my trunk full up with parts. Man, all this stuff garbage. I'm throwing all this stuff out. As you can see, an old ass valve covers up there. And I don't really feel like cleaning them, doing none of that type of stuff right there. That was that bracket I had bought for that stock LS bracket, but I ain't using it in the oil pan. Just an old part, dog, that I've been wanting to get out for a while, and I'm finally get the chance to get to them. My stud girders. For y'all who don't know, I've been putting everything on Facebook Market, and it been selling like hotcakes around that junk. So I got the stud girdles with the stud. I can't even think of the name of them damn things that go on top of the stud girdle, but they brand new. I'm gonna sell them. The intake. I'm gonna sell that to the old boy who bought my carburetor. He didn't wait on me to get my Edelbrox out the machine shop. And like I was saying, probably when I come back for Stunt Fest, I'll probably drop that bread off for them. You know, them the LS head that came with my C2. I'm probably gonna drop them off in the machine shop, see if they work, getting the money put into it, see how much I had to get put into them, and I'm gonna put them on the market too. But as you can see, we making room with this thing, dog. Only ones I'm probably ain't gonna let go for right now, cause I'm cleaning them up a little bit more in my Chevrolet. Y'all remember my Chevy valve cover, dog. These some good looking valve cover right here. And they're expensive too. Hold on for a minute. Let me get my hand right. Yeah, dog. Yup. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up letting them go too. For a nice little something, you feel me? I actually need to turn them over because I don't need them to be getting scratched up in there. Real talk. Put all that out of the way. So yeah, I still got a few more parts I'm gonna sell, dog. And now that I believe in Facebook Market, I know they're gonna go. I got a spark plug wire. My boy the one big dog, he said he want them back. And I ain't gonna lie, I damn so would for sale them. Tatiana's still on ice though, dog. I'm just trying to make room, clear some of this stuff out. Like I said, there go my auto bracket for my serpentine set up, you feel me? For my serpentine set up. I'm gonna put that stock alternator back on that junk so I can sell it too. Stock alternator back on that junk so I can sell it too. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that little bit. This box ain't nothing but for they got stuff on top of it for real. I might end up throwing that out. And this the main thing I want to get rid of right here. I got a whole bunch of stuff in there. I'm gonna go through there, see what just see what's in there. I'm gonna get rid of all that. You know, I still got my carpet. I still got my my knuckles, my stock knuckles from when I put my wood brakes on my car. I might end up keeping them just for souvenirs. That stock fan, I'm getting rid of that. All my mufflers, my tips, I don't know yet. And of course the Chevy hubcap, you know, them classic right there, so I'm definitely not gonna get rid of them. But for the most part, dog, I'm finna make a lot of room. Y'all still remember this. That what that damn thing called? That line lock. I really can put this online to sell this junk, dog. But I still might end up getting put on the car. I don't know yet. So, you know, I ain't really into that. Ooh, I forgot about these. The half inch Moser stud that I never opened, dog. Ooh, hell yeah. Half inch Moser stud. I'm gonna look at most of how much I paid for them. I know I can let them go. But hell yeah, right now, dog, y'all just caught me. Remember when I had told y'all I had reached out to Cub in Louisiana. Reached out to Cub Louisiana the LED brake script for the third brake light. We still got to get that put in. All my highs and everything. When everything get back up in motion. Up in the game time, dog. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And that too, made on that basis, they're cleaning my store unit out. You feel me? So shit, I guess I'm gonna get back at y'all on the Nelfa, dog. And Mississippi TV, y'all tap in with the boy. Best thing smoking on YouTube, shout I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they tell somebody about the boy, man. Highway 45, right now in the center of Clay County. Then my neck of the wood back home, baby, when I'm out that thing. And I ask y'all to do one thing for me, man. Please hit the subscribe button. Please keep liking, keep sharing. Cause dog, we about to get this thing crunked back up, my boy. I'm out there, y'all be easy out there.